So this is just a quick video on on changing oil on a 1977 year Ford Mondeo, also known as MK2, yeah, I decided to do it myself, although I'm not recommending to do it to you, because nowadays it's quite cheap to go to any workshop and change the oil. So basically, if someone is wondering where is the oil filter located on this Ford Mondeo, then we can have a look. So here I'm on the process on filling up on new oil, and the new oil I purchased this one. So if you can see, here's the oil sump, gated. I have already changed the oil plug to new one because it's never done before, so I decided why not. So, and the oil filter is located here behind the wheel arch. It's quite yes, it's quite dark here, but yes, it's right here. So yeah, basically it wasn't that easy, but yeah, I guess a new experience, you know. And yeah, so the oil filter is located on the left side of the car if you look from the front of it.